Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I will teach you exactly how you can make cells bigger in your documents on Excel. So let's get started right away. So what you want to do is first select the cell you would like to resize. So for the sake of this tutorial, I will go with that cell here. So let's say D14, left click on it. And what you want to do after that, guys, is adjust the height and the width of your cell manually. To do that, start with the column here at the top, which in this case here with the column D. What you want to do, guys, is left click and hold on the right edge of that column here and simply adjust the width manually by dragging that corner or that edge here to the right, just like that. So as you can see, our cell here, D14, is now wider, and to increase its height, repeat the same process with the row here to the left, which would be row 14. Again, left click and hold on the edge, on the lower edge of that row here, and manually adjust the height. And that's basically it. As you can see, that cell here, D14, has been resized. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.